Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, as you can see, I have a pretty standard world going on here. I've only got one mod loaded in, and that is my item drop mod that I've modified from the original one. It still contains a lot of the same code. I just tried to make some improvements. I've added in a little GUI. I've tried to localize a lot of things, as many things as I possibly could. And yeah. This is basically a reworked version of it. As you can see, if you mine, you get a little GUI of what you picked up and the number. And if I just keep mining here, then you can see, let me just turn this down a little bit, and you can see that I've got the number of items that I've picked up. I thought that was pretty nifty to implement. You can see how many things you've mined. It's not really intrusive, and it'll work with a bunch of items. If I go over here and mine some dirt, as you can see, they'll layer on top of each other, and as in each individual little GUI element gets older than 3 seconds, it'll remove it automatically, and that GUI will disappear. Yeah, you can just throw a whole bunch of things on the ground. These are probably all gonna instantly disappear. Yeah, pretty much like that. I don't know how to make them fade, but if I figure out how to do that, I'll fade them out and stuff. And yeah, it's a pretty simple mod. I think it works a little bit faster than the last version I created, and it also uses move 2, which it makes it so it won't fly away. If you try to fly away from or walk away from it, it'll catch up to you. Another good thing about this is that if you throw an item, you can actually walk away from it. You can walk right back to it. It'll pop right back into your inventory. And yeah, you can stand here, then it'll come back. You won't get constantly stuck trying to get items out of your inventory. Another thing I implemented in this one is, if you notice while I'm walking, it won't go behind me like in older versions. And I did this by using the new player velocity, or getting the player velocity. And if you jump, it'll go extra high and all that good stuff, and you'll be able to throw items really far. And yeah, it's really nifty. It makes the game a little bit easier to use and all that good stuff. And I can throw stuff over there and all that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you wanna try it out, I'll leave the forum post in the description, and I don't know, feel free to tell me any changes you'd like me to do. One of the things I'm hoping to eventually do is in this little menu, or this little, whatever you call, inventory screen, is implement settings so you can change the radius of the magnet, or turn it off altogether, or even, I don't know, have like a little particles for when you suck up items and stuff. That'd be kind of silly though. But yeah, if you want to try it out, feel free to modify it. It's under WTFLP, I believe it's called, or PL. And yeah, make sure you have fun with it. Let's see, I don't know, what can I really showcase? I mean, there's not much to showcase with this. I pretty much showed everything. I mean, I guess one of the things that used to be fun in Minecraft was I dig a whole bunch of items, or dig a whole bunch of blocks, and then I just go and apparently I dug 35 there. And one of the things I'm actually having trouble with this is, as you can see, it's kind of hard to see in the dark. And I really don't know how to implement a background that changes to text size, and it changes to have, or show, or to the size of how many items you have listed up there. And if I do, I'll be sure to include that in the mod. I'll make another video and show that off. But yeah, as you can see, this is simple. It's functional. It's adds a little bit of the old Minecraft-esque stuff, slightly improved. Runs really, really good. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Again, the link's in the description, and have fun with it.